Okay, I see the hot. Now, so we drop for you on top NPFL Tatafo Football Republic Podcast 9 weekdays. So my name is Nasawa Dino on top NPFL Tatafo. You know, say everything will happen inside the Nigerian Professional Football League. Now we carry come serve you hot for your domot. The NPFL for the 2020-2021 season, it did mid-season break right now. It's supposed to start this week. The news will be get before now. Say we're supposed to resume the second stanza of the league this week. Only for us to come get another news. Say okay, they don't shift go the first weekend inside the month of May. So Timmy Answadi will help me chook eye inside this matter, chook mouth inside this matter, especially the fact say we don't get another delay again to the resumption of the league for the 2020-2021 season. Timmy?
Well, I'm not surprised. If you understand very well how Nigerian football they work, you go understand. Say they work around civil servants. Their kind of job. Remember, say May 1st holiday day, and public holiday no go day for Saturday, but public holiday go day on Monday. So once public holiday don't day like that, civil servants they always want to use their public holiday well. And based on say most of the Nigerian clubs, now civil servants club, like them or not, Caterpillars, they go tell you say money no day. So you know go fit start league
money no day for waiting exactly
to move players go where they want to play.
But the league supposed start 28, 29.
Baba, the league supposed start. I think now 2 weeks break. Then give them. It's supposed start this weekend.
Yeah, it's supposed start.
Maybe May 1st.
Yeah, 28. It's supposed start 28th of April.
28th now Wednesday.
Friday. Wednesday, right?
Yeah.
So Wednesday. It's supposed to start this midweek.
Many reasons see there, but I think they talk about one of the reasons because most of these clubs they be civil service club, and then they go on use the holiday. And don't forget say Ramadan still there outside too. Most of the clubs then when they up north, they go always want do their fasting and stuff like that. Even CAF even got shift games. Go 10 p.m. for night just to accommodate.
Fasting supposed affect us. I think we see something for Premier League. Leicester City players.
Yes, Wesley Fofana.
Where they Fofana and which other guy? Where they pause.
Yeah, go break.
Where they go break so that then they go fit go break their fast.
But they talk about Premier League. Premier League na English country we say now they be Christians. Nigeria na country we say will be mixed Muslim and Christian. Majority of people within inside Nigeria, most of the clubs within inside Nigeria where they not now Muslims then be. So you guys respect their Ramadan too. Okay. So me and if you say maybe not because of the Ramadan, because almost at that time Ramadan go down they almost round up. Okay. I guess because I think 13 of April 9 start. So I feel say all in all, now just to make sure say these players are ready and they feel play football. Nobody say they're going to shift games, they shift games here and there. But I still feel say whether they shift them to 8 or whatever, may they end season before August when new calendar go don't start for CAF.
Because that now the main aim. So now the main aim be that when they tell us say then they try to align our calendar with CAF calendar and European calendar so that we no go get the situation where we say mid-season player where they do well will do hustle contract for abroad. You understand? Because of say our season will day hot, maybe at that time with their season won't start or something like that. So they try to align them. But anytime we want align our calendar with European calendar or CAF calendar, one thing will shall happen.
The way this one is set up, not be waiting we go to blame people for because sports they work hand in hand with government, with community. And when you look at IBC, the color of the community, whether you did for up north, you did for south, you did for west or east, it is a little bit unsettled. So when you hear them, they bring out their security reports. And say when this game resume, they're going to need to enter road. They're going to need to use bus. Even when we say things never crazy like that. Only just last week we did talk for episode 1, we did talk about buses when we say they cash fire, bandits when we say they kidnap and all that kind of nonsense. So I feel say not just playing to the wind of caution. Not just the fact that they won't acknowledge, say, a lot of players, about 55% of the clubs, yes, when we say they, even the players when they for Rivers, they still get Muslims inside. So every single club get Muslims. So not be big deal, Not be every time when we say something happen, we will look like, it don't want to spoil. Because look at the economic factors. When they talk about funding and whatnot, they talk about security, logistics. Now,
you know why to me been talk for some of your opening statements say nothing is surprising for Nigeria football again. I think we don't they used to do. You know why we talk? It like saying our culture now say if we tell you say league will start 1st of April. Just no say we know we start 1st of April. But it's just like saying our culture. Say if we tell you say we start 10th of May. Just no say we start.
But maybe my point now they talk now see as I they talk before the point now see right now it happen na culture, but this one not be something we go look into with too much eye, because not just the signs of the times. I mean, even England, everywhere, whether now Germany or whatnot, they take breaks several times because of how IBC, the way they plan things, not be the way the thing can be. Everybody they pivot. Hey, Oyibo, give me a handshake. I don't speak. Hey, I did try. But so they speak English. Everybody they pivot. It means when you're supposed to they go straight, then the road come block.
Well, you should that in English.
It's English. It's a French English.
Pivot.
P-I-V-O-T. But the O, the T is silent.
That is pivot.
It not be pivot. It's pivot.
Okay.
My brother.
So
everybody they pivot.
Okay.
So this one I just. What did they do? You get degree for grammar. No, she never do.
You don't drop the matter.
But wait now.
Okay.
I say everybody they pivot. Everybody they branch. Everybody they use shortcuts or whatever. So not be something to look into. Instead, waiting I won't look into now whether they don't put everything in place.
Yeah,
not
for
only
the
like
second
for the second half, because last week we they talk about maybe go nice whether more games go feed the.
All right. Well, so some no reason I'm too much no to look into the matter. Say okay, they don't shift the league, go reach 8th of May. As long as say the league start that 8th of May, the most important thing now whether they don't put everything in place. One of the things where people they always complain about now say Nigerian teams they do well for continental games. CAF Confederation
because Juju not they travel now.
You know, I don't know
whether Papito Juju not they travel now.
Some people they blame them before they say when CAF league continental games they start, our league never start. Our league they don't break. Now our league don't start. Our league starts early safe. I think the time our league start now when we did preliminaries. Still yet upon that, our teams no do well. We get 4 representatives. We get Plateau United, Kano Pillars, we get Eyimba, we get Rivers United. None except Eyimba enter the group stage of any competition. And Eyimba guys dropped from Champions League and Confederations Cup before they enter the group stage of the competition. And now Eyimba they play against Orlando Pirates. The way we take B now, make a reason Eyimba matter. Now then the Nigeria hopefuls, the only flag bearers now for Nigeria. We don't see the way where Eyimba they take play this continental game. If they come house for Aba, they go win.
Now me give them the jersey.
If they come Aba, they go win. Then travel, they go lose. Their last 4 games for the continent, they don't lose all away. They lose to Rivers United 1-0 before it enter penalty. Noble can't help them. They lose to Orlando Pirates away for South Africa 2-1. They lose to Setif where they beat here. They go lose to them 3-0. They lose to Al Ahly Benghazi where a lot of people expect them to at least get 1 point from that game. They lose. Now they play against Orlando Pirates. Technically, Orlando Pirates get 1 leg for the next round of competition, but they no say it never really too sure for them because as it stands now, they did 9 points. And if Eyimba can go load them, say like that kind of 4-0 or 3-0 and
very opposite so now 4-3-0
Al Ahly can go win their own match. Wala don't they for Eyimba. So
Al Ahly go win. This
away from matter, continental matter with Nigerian teams. Case study now Eyimba. Timmy, what's the way forward?
Well, I go always talk say way forward now say you get quality players, but I know say Eyimba if you get quality players, so that
one of the team if you sign any player.
Yeah, no be problem for them. But then again, you look this Eyimba squad. Now them don't they always repeat Nigeria. Now them don't go far past. Last season they reached quarterfinals of the CAF Confederations Cup. I don't think say any other Nigerian team don't go as far as the quarterfinals in recent times. Yeah. So you want to say then na system problem, na general problem for all the clubs where they go inside continent.
Na general market.
No be just Eyimba problem. So here come be my own wahala with all this our setup, all this our for Eyimba now, they fit qualify. But after quarterfinal, what will happen? Okay. We'll go back again to square one. If then come out. You understand? So the point where we say me I won't make now say, you see, if you want to do well for continent, now from your league you go start. You guys they do well for your league. See Liverpool, for instance. I digress to English Premier League. When they enter the final of Champions League, lose them. Then they compete for the title for EPL well. When they win the Champions League final, then finish.
They win the title.
No, when they finish, when they win the Champions League for 2019, they don't win title.
They don't win title.
But now 1 point, just 1 point,
behind Man City.
Take up them. Then they do well for their league. You understand? Now you check out all these teams we mentioned, the likes of Rivers United. Where they in the table? They know the top 3.
They know the top 3 now.
Eyimba right now, okay, most of them they then get
They
game
get
in hand.
outstanding games, yeah.
So you guys look your league, how well your league they, who you they compete with, how far you they do for your league. See the likes of Mamelodi Sundowns we'll talk about every time for South Africa. They always be top. You know they
top
top
of the
two.
table.
Exactly.
With
They don't-
even 2 games
But
in
now
hand.
billionaire big Gasha, they
It don't
use
matter.
private jet, they
You
travel well.
you hardly find them outside of the top 3 for inside the PSL. So it boils down to how well you they play for your league.
But then by any time when they play their games complete, they always stay around that bracket too. Top 3.
Yes, the problem with Enyimba be say Enyimba, in as much as they get experience for inside the continent, the experience they get now administrative experience.
Thank you.
But most times the players when they carry go no they get the experience.
Timmy, make a shock you.
Administrative experience. I still feel it's
That's what I'm saying, administrative experience
Make
that
a
they
shock
get.
you. Make a shock you. See, one of the biggest things when we start learning for inside that Alcon when we say they do for 2018. Now when we say I look some of the teams when we say come from especially Southern Africa, they come with video people. And then I think say people don't they serious. Even the northern teams, they get a digital team. Not be like the ones shout out to our people where they do our digital here, but they carry a camera, they carry stuff. When we know they travel well outside, and because we never grew with our football, because we still they use that old format. Well, we go do our own we go do our jazz, we go set up, we go. But
You don't talk that just.
Oyibo, right from time, not even Oyibo self, even the great Benin Kingdom, before they go, they fight with Ife. They go send their scouts. They go say, go spy the land, go sunshine. Where be the weak points? Where be this one? They can't give them the play-by-play before the fight.
Anybody do that one now?
That's the thing. No.
Anybody supposed to get people like analysts where they analyze oppositions.
If they get, you don't see them. Waiting be say food when they switch you they smell them. Like I talk, use the example. Now make they give the example. Was that last week when I say if you see South African women team now, they're not they fear to they throw away their training videos up and down because they already know say we don't already get the breakdown. You just say BS are the craze when we say carry drone to they spy people that time when we say they for championship. You know why? Because you must know your position, not just the opposition players. You must know the topography. Hey. Oyibo. You must know the setting of the ground, the geography. Waiting they happen for this particular weather.
Yeah.
You see those people, that they come with weatherman. They know, say for morning, if you wake up now, if you listen to stations like Wazobia, they go tell you, say, today the weather now so and so degrees Celsius. Meaning say expect rain. So nothing different from waiting Aba do they do. That's why now it is easy for away teams to come to Aba. Because they know the mapping, they know the road map.
We talk about the weather. We talk about the weather matter.
No one. That might be my point. They never change with technology. They never incorporate technology into their gameplay. When you say they get analysts, the analysts they do like when we say no offense to all the guys when they do work, but when you see some of them they gist, they give you beer apologist. Not be this guy now this guy there yeah that I did that, but then they tell you waiting. We say these guys don't do in new time.
Okay,
because
so
everybody they upgrade.
We go take out. I don't want to make we model.
No, you they ask me how far now.
No, I don't want more model of them.
You ask me how far now.
I ask you how far, but I want to separate them.
Why be say teams not they? Why our local teams not they do?
Yes, now
the only 2 teams when get the financial power to actually get young boys because it's not hard. Nigerians full there. Nigerians there for Algeria. They're there for Libya. They're there for South Africa. The only thing when you just need to say, Baba, contract these boys. So okay, as soon as they I don't need to pay you money to travel.
So they analyze their away teams,
spy them,
so they analyze their away teams.
Give me the breakdown.
Now
so that they do them.
Now, so see, Enyimba did the same group with Orlando Pirates. If Enyimba want 10,000 clips on Orlando Pirates, they never need spy.
You they miss the point.
No, wait,
not
wait,
the clips
wait,
they talk. I say the other things. Or you go say na extraneous factors. I'll give you weather.
Like
weather now one of them.
Okay, since you don't do push-ups come that weather, I want to talk the weather later.
Weather, geography.
Around 2:00. People complain say this 2:00 what would they play? If they even favor the northern side.
But that one not in their hand.
No. I understand. Can't fix them. I mean, they talk weather, right? Enyimba play around 2:00. 2:00 for Nigeria normally Sunday. You understand? They say this 2:00 they favor people. Enyimba don't go play 10:00, 10 p.m. 10:00. I never see any country for the world with 10:00 sun they shine. You understand?
Actually,
like heavy sun. Heavy sun.
Okay.
Enyimba don't go play Alakli Benghazi. 10:00 they still no fit play. You understand? Now they go play 10:00 for Aba. Weather conditions for here and for Alakli na Libya be Sudan.
Libya.
Weather conditions and here with Libya not too far.
Actually, far. Libya they get sun. They get snow.
Libya Sunday hot.
Today harsh. At the talk of 10 p.m.
Okay, for night.
10 p.m. where they play that game where they lose 1-0.
Okay.
You understand? So if you go SA, if you go South Africa, the time when they play, Enyimba play against Orlando Pirates, no be winter.
Baba.
South Africa winter now, June, July.
Baba.
They go down.
You don't see their training times.
Yes, sir.
You don't see their training times. Many of these clubs when we say they thrive now, they play at different times of the day.
Yes.
Now until when we say Enyimba one play this their match against Orlando Pirates, now they do evening practice. Now be their first set of evening practice in recent times. And you won't play for night. And this not be what we say go shock you, because like we talk, a lot of this our MPFA club, they get Muslims inside. So they know say one way or the other, say that they're going to push the match until after the fast finish. Or we go play according to the time when we say go favor these guys religious wise. So if you be say you they play, you know say your timing to train na Christmas, because when I go play Christmas timing, not be every time you go play by 2:00 in the afternoon, not be every time you go play by 5:00 in the evening. You go scatter. I tell you why. You don't get picking before. My picking. If you tell her, say
my daughter is 4.
Who that's your daughter?
To me,
if they claim people daughter, by the time when you say you don't grow seed, if you don't grow seed, you go understand. Say you need to understand how picking to the shop. Some kind children, they know they feel they perform early momo. They not be money people, but give them afternoon, noon. They go perform. You need to make them they acclimatize. You must set up the factors to make sure so they function at that particular time. Most times that we just they come mogbomoya. Not be we be Enyimba, unzobu zobu, we go nakam. Not be we be a Guma people, we go do am unzobu zobu. Anyhow, yaga. If you not set up your timetable to take you, say if your adversary don't they know how to block you, you need to know
improvise.
how. You need to improvise. Not be the word of the day. Pivot.
All these people,
pivot.
they sense by come watch Enyimba.
It's French.
To me, me I dey think say this thing now, something we did very peculiar to Nigerian teams, the away mentality. If you watch so many Nigerian sides, anytime they go play away matches. In fact, now in recent years, since the introduction of incentives, way back in the day where LMC introduced incentives for if you go away, go pick points, we will give you so and so. You understand? Since the introduction of incentives, now in some teams they even go away to go play to pick points. You understand? And then they thought say before then teams they go away to go play, but most times, most likely, they see coaches when they won't go away matches, they could just drop some of their key players. Say they could just go mark attendance. You understand? Because it be like say they just know say they go lose. So over time, I think say over time, this thing don't form a particular mindset for our players for the league. Say, oh boy, you don't get anything, we'll go play here, we no go feel win. You don't get anything, we'll go do here, we no go feel win. Because I don't see a reason why. I don't see a reason why Enyimba lose that game to Al Ahly Benghazi for the match I watch. I don't see a reason why the same Enyimba will hold Setif to a standstill, where concede one, come from behind, win 2-1, even with the quote and unquote biased officiating that day, Enyimba will stand the odds, win that game 2-1. I don't see a reason why that same Enyimba were taken to the cleaners when they go play ES Setif away. I don't see a reason why that game against Orlando Pirates, that dying minute where Orlando Pirates get that second goal, I don't see a reason why where Enyimba go fit just open up like that. So if don't be this defeatist mentality where we say you anytime they travel away, you just be say, oh but we don't leave on. Don't be say we don't lose, we don't want to go down. I mean, talk me out of it, because I believe say now waiting they affect.
Now the mentality now you don't talk now. Mentality join. If you don't aspire to Maguire what you want to acquire. If you not aspire to Maguire, you can never acquire. If they already decide say any IB go be, because like you rightly talk the way that they set up, sometimes they go carry some kind of move, just go mark register. So when you already do them, your players already know. Now from food when go sweet, now from the ingredients when you go buy from market. If you buy peku, if you buy snake, if you buy stockfish, you already know say this food. You must ban.
I don't buy all those things before cook soup, sweet.
But you must take your time.
But the truth of the matter, where I will still go back to, and like you asked me the first time, the question where you asked me the first time, I say, why did they always struggle for continent? See, if your system no dey right for house, no matter how you want to go down for abroad, you go always want to use the mentality of that system with the house.
Now the system they affect you.
Remember, say even when Enyimba win the CAF Champions League, the first year, the year before 2002, they were woeful. Now money they come pump, buy players, pump money for these boys. Where we say they can't go. Even that first time when they win.
Even say that time the national project. No, don't forget.
Exactly,
You get some teams, you get some players that time, that 2003, where they play for Heartland for the league, MPFL for the league.
But
then they play for Enyimba for Champions League. They are no case study. Yaro case study. You know,
even at that, then go to the Ismail. If you remember, then go Ismail go lose 6-1. against Ismail. So now mentality thing, now that mental block where we say Nigerian coaches never fit unlock from these players their head. Say, guys, if we will play to our pattern, if we play to our tactics, if we make sure say we map out how we want to collect 3 points, how we want to play these people, play them to the letter, they go always pick point. Another problem with me, I feel now say some of all these our coaches themselves, they know they help matters because imagine a Fatai Osho. When last Fatai Osho play for Continent?
Thank you.
When last?
Or travel, make it just travel.
Yeah.
Go see landlord travel.
You go expect say the experience will be say go come to play. Now person will say don't dey inside the Continent.
Like Kadiri Kana.
Yeah, you understand.
So they work
when we say they don't understand how they work, how you feel collect points, how you feel play to
and
to
the
last.
politics.
Exactly. See the one way you talk about Orlando Pirates. How you go don't equalize finish? You can't let them score you last minute goal, winning goal. You understand? So for me, I feel say sometimes now coaching from these players or from the technical crew. Now also another thing we say we got to look into to make sure say at least if we go away, we're going to say okay, we don't sort this one out. Now the coaching, how far is it good enough? The players, are they mentally ready to collect points away from home? Now the cocoa be that because even when Eimba win the CAF Champions League, if they go away, they always go with that defeatist mentality. Say they go lose. But now Abba, now they always come talk say okay, here we die here. You understand? So for me, I still feel say if then change the system as a whole, that's why most clubs like Rivers United, Lobby Stars, Plateau United, they go always struggle for Continent because that defeatist mentality still in their head say away will not go do well, but for home we could try collect point. So until they change that mentality.
All right, guys,
make I tell you this thing up. I like this thing when you talk about system, and you don't need to change everybody. All you need now just your club.
Exactly.
A visionary leader when we say don't map out the roadmap, say okay, this number what we want for the next 3, 4, 5 years. See TP Mazembe, they get bar. But most of their clubs, when they their league, how many of them you hear? They play Palasa football. But it's not because they over-oppress them, not because TP decides, say, you know now what?
Like this one
now so we won't do them. Sanitas now another one too. Their main clubs were there. They play Palasa ball. But few individual clubs decide, say, Adekon, we are going to be visionary. We are going to run with a template. This is the look we want. This is the vibe we want. This is the look. They see Ghana now, all the Art of Oaks and Kosoko. They don't decide, say, no matter what they go on, we must have a certain standard. They don't build their local standard individually. They don't rebuild again. Actually, because they were really great. They don't rebuild again. So I don't get any doubt. Say, in the next 2 seasons, you begin to see Ghana clubs when we say go to waka. If you not travel, Igbo people go say, person when travel, they wiser than the elders. If you look the squad when we say that they carry for the championship, the continental contesting clubs like I go use Rivers and Eimba, and many of their squad, their staff, coaching staff, they just wake up say, okay, guys, make we go see what they happen for this other country. No. Sometimes I'm sorry. That will go fund them. It's a yeah talk. Ma tell you why.
How?
Ma tell you why. Ma tell you why. Excellence.
Yes. Win this match 20 million.
No. If you don't tire for your level, you not go wait. Maybe say your employer carry you go training. You go enter all those coded with them, all those sites where be say you take upskill yourself. Now be the thing. The problem now say that they wait, that they fold hand. That they be like, make them come carry us for training.
We never see football as business.
If you don't tire,
is it for this country?
if you maybe can respect people like you, if you right now, make can respect it can because maybe one of the few guys I say as you don't crack.
Now make I
you
tell
no
you,
go bother.
Our system
You must
help
work
matters. Now see for this your talk the talk
Oh,
before
now you
just
won't come back to my system.
No, no, that system where they talk. Now Leeds United will get their next match with Real Madrid. Real Madrid they play league match. You go see Bielsa go travel.
He's not going to go send like 5 boys.
No. Just use for instance, say Bielsa himself or anybody or the coach himself go travel, go that place, go watch the match by himself. See setup, see everything. Come back. You don't take 1 or 2 notes. Where the see am for now? Just say Orlando Pirates go play match this week. Then Iguma will just travel.
Iguma will use the mouth to say in the team we won't play for preliminary now.
He never say anything about them. He don't know anything about them.
That is
He don't know anything about them.
See, guys, those kind of mindset. You just portray my own.
No, leave that matter.
You must look out for yourself.
Let me just look at the final day fixture. Eimba against Orlando Pirates for Abba, and then we look at Esperance Setif, ES Setif against Alakli for Setif their home. Now Setif then they bottom of the table mathematically. Then get chance of qualifying because they get 5 points.
Yes.
So if they win their match, they will get 8 points, and they get hope say Eimba go maybe draw,
lose
because if Eimba draw or lose, Now me say ES Setif
Often.
go qualify. So now that ES Setif, now a whole lot of Nigerians they hope say they go beat Al-Ahly because a win for ES Setif go favor Enyimba more. So everything where Enyimba need to do now just to win their match, whether not 0-0 or 1-0. Because once ES Setif win against Al-Ahly, Enyimba just need to win 1-0, 0-0, any win whatsoever.
Make them
Enyimba go qualify. But on the other hand, if you flip the coin, if Al-Ahly go win or as much as get 1 point from Setif, now me say Wala don't dey for Enyimba. In fact, if Al-Ahly draw, now me say Enyimba still need that all out win. If Al-Ahly go win, let me say Enyimba need to win well.
Yeah, you don't talk and finish. I feel say the work they Enyimba hand, they just need to win, and they are condemned to win.
Don't use condemned.
Whether they can't get that winning now, I don't know. But the truth of the matter be say, I hope and I wish say the next time we say will they come this podcast, we're going to say okay, Enyimba don't qualify, and we're going to look forward to their quarterfinal match because like I'm or not, I feel say. So far so good. Enyimba don't do the whole work for house. I mean, it is maybe they will collect 1 point for Al-Ahly Benghazi house, but that one no happen. So right now, just as they don't beat Al-Ahly Benghazi for house, they don't beat ES Setif for house. So Orlando Pirates shouldn't give them problem. Even though the last time where Orlando Pirates come Nigeria,
wonderful.
Now 1-1.
Now 1-1 in draw.
Wonderful.
And now the number of points where Enyimba get maximum now 9 points.
Yeah.
And that 9 points, Orlando Pirates already get them. So it means Enyimba now needs to equal Orlando Pirates their goal difference. Right now, they '4 goal difference.
But make we win first before you start the talk goal difference.
Actually,
head to head.
Before goal difference.
So 1-0 will solve for Enyimba against.
Just 1-0.
Head to head first.
Winning by 1-0 will make Enyimba qualify. So now the first thing for Enyimba be that if Enyimba can't go, they win 2-1. At that time, they'll come they enter points goal difference in case Al-Ahly don't go beat ES Setif.
Yeah.
I'm surprised say Enyimba Sef still getting now. So shout out to Enyimba Sef say they even still in contention till now. Because the work when we say Al-Ahly don't do from war zone, now they take rebuild again. Nobody don't understand how bad it was in Libya. I get brother when we say play basketball for Libya when we say Gaddafi. When we say they walk out. You see this thing, eh? You see this thing, eh? You see this thing? Enyimba lucky say they're there.
Squad.
They lucky say they're there.
Call Enyimba match.
See, Enyimba. See, as I'm concerned, man, just say that. You want to they go win?
I don't know. Just call them.
All I know now say Enyimba if the manage win and they not qualify, they still try. More not try, no disgrace us for about. That's my rule.
You go on try call the game.
I know if you call the game
Nobody
because
call her. We get
Enyimba, whether they win or whether they lose, me I still say they no go carry the cup. So I wish them all the best.
So we wish them.
Because they don't get plan for the next level. You just see anything like
that Enyimba match against Orlando Pirates now 10 p.m. Wednesday 28th of April. So all the best.
I know they like us because
they are flag bearers. So you know get us be. We wish Enyimba all the best because they don't do a pass for continent for Nigerian football. They don't win the Champions League back to back 2003, 2004.
So why you need to wear jersey when you come next time? This your coat where they wear. They make you talk slow.
If they win the confident, you get some other things so they contribute to the slow motion. You understand? Okay. All right. So moving on, we come back home to the NPFL. You get one major thing where they always cause wahala for inside Nigerian Professional Football League. They call them branding. They say Nigerian teams need to pay attention to branding. As big as Ahmed Musa, we'll talk Ahmed Musa tire. Because I mean last week she also say Ahmed Musa now the poster boy of the league right now, now the biggest name, for the league right now. And I mean, no be lie, you understand, that the biggest name. So they say Nigerian teams need to take branding seriously. You see Ahmed Musa unveiling. You can't go one place like this. You give and just just stand, put one.
Wait, see the cutting, see the cutting.
See cutting.
This is the second one. This is the second video when they come.
Two of them.
Now this one. Hey,
you can't go one place. We need to pay attention. See, Musa wear ordinary polo. We need to pay attention to unveiling. Then, if we contrast this Musa unveiling with Sunday Adetunji unveiling, when he been signed for Plateau United, even though we know saying don't come off from Plateau United now.
Black shit.
Now, this unveiling, not be the club do this unveiling for Sunday Adetunji.
Not be the model.
Not be club.
Now Madonna.
Now private group. Now carry Sunday Adetunji say, okay, you don't sign for Plateau United. Make we do them as it's supposed to be. carry am give am fantastic picture. This picture go rival normal unveiling from anywhere in the world. Do you understand? So that issue of we want people to invest in the league, we want people to, and you know, say our life now Instagram life. You understand? The thing where people see as they attractive from outside. Now go hungry them to want come put their money. If I see you, they unveil Ahmed Musa, a whole Ahmed Musa, you they unveil him like one our yard boy. Anyhow, you understand? What thing go make me feel say it they attractive? It just unveil him like our yard boy. You understand? So this issue of branding, packaging. Even though say na Sansan Bololo will play last, make am dey like say na lush green. Why we need to ever pay attention to these matters?
System.
You know, this system thing. I beg expatiate this one.
The truth of the matter be say, they always talk and say Nigerian football now a reflection of the Nigerian society.
Thank you.
You understand? Now, check out the National Broadcasting Network, NTA, for instance. Now, check out the logo that they use. Check out their template, their chroma or whatever.
Their scroll messages.
Their scroll messages. Now use that one, compare one of the private owned stations.
Yeah.
It depend me say most of all these clubs now still government owned. See, if you talk about branding, like you mentioned, branding is something we say. You get idea of where you want to make your product go. You get idea of the people where you want make them see your product. You get idea of the people where you say you want make them buy into your product.
You get target audience. Now, what they talk
exactly. Now, who will the target audience to see Ahmed Musa for inside Kano Pillars? Any idea they when they sign them? No. What will be the idea? Say okay, they go sell them out. Say okay, this one don't sign for Kano Pillars. Now just based on say him play for Kano Pillars that year. He don't come back. Finish. Now the only brand the way they say where did their head now be that. So for me, I always talk say, see, if you know set the system well, if you just they use pancake and what is it?
On behalf of pancake, we take
foundation.
Foundation.
Take the rub face. If you know fine, you know fine. Now the truth be that. So if you want to talk about branding, you guys start from the very clubs themselves. Waiting they want make their fans they see. Waiting they want give their fans. Waiting they want attract. You show us contrasting picture now of Adetunji.
Yeah.
Adetunji now you talk say this in picture go stand anywhere for the whole world.
Of course.
Sweet boy.
Now, it don't mean say him won't show himself to the whole world. But Kano Pillars won't show themselves to the whole world with that way they sign with.
No, they show
Ahmed Musa.
Kano now.
No.
Kano they be their target.
So see the point of the matter be say we got to understand say football na big business.
Yeah.
And based on say business, say you want make money, you guys brand business. See you now you wear suit.
No minor.
No,
you get good chain.
Wear pocket, you get pocket square. You understand?
They feel proud.
Cause they put some kind blom or flower. You understand?
Yeah.
On a branding,
On a package.
you understand? Sawa, make I shock you.
Yeah.
Another big player go one sign, they go still on Villam like this.
I don't doubt you. Yeah, it's possible.
So what will they talk here?
Yeah.
So what will they? That means the team now, you don't dey inside our system.
Yeah.
We don't dey part of us.
You don't soak us.
As in, we no conflict change our mentality again. So for me, I feel say if we want move go branding, if we want learn what branding is, we guys reorientate all this club administration.
Lazwa.
He's on the road.
You understand?
Yes.
So all these club administrators forget LMC.
Yeah.
LMC na just to manage the league. Now the clubs are then be the main players, the stakeholders. Carry their mind, shift them to the senses that say, okay,
It get statement where somebody make. That Saturday team, you know, just ship this in.
Yeah.
That Saturday we'll go play ball. It get statement where somebody make by the side. Say part of the reasons why our local teams, MPFL teams, need a reason all this branding thing. Now because year in, year out,
Now
they
government.
get allocated fund from government. So they need a reason say
Sawa.
Obama could do ABC to
Sawa,
raise funds.
even at that,
Yeah.
even if you get allocated funds, you get money will be say they don't allocate for you. That's why they talk say, see, if the system is right, it will make you want to do more for your club or for wherever you they work.
Yeah.
If the system they right say football will set up now business oriented.
Yeah.
No matter the allocation where they give you, the government will give you that money. Go they talk say bring in profits as they give you this allocation.
Exactly.
You understand?
If I give you 10 naira, make you make 20 naira.
Exactly, but because they don't see them as allocation, they don't see them as business.
Yeah.
They see them as civil service work.
They say I must cut and chop national cake.
Just everybody, you just give everybody work. You are bringing the youth out of the streets.
Yeah.
Now, what do they feel? Until we see football as big business.
Yeah.
Manchester United today, what make them Manchester United? Now, because they don't turn the club into business. Real Madrid, what make them Real Madrid today? They don't turn the club into business. So if you never turn your club into business, even if they give you 800 million, you go see the squander them. Until you turn them to that business mentality and you start to imagine yourself, say, okay, you are now a brand.
Yeah.
You are now representing the government. You are now showcasing yourself. You're showcasing yourself to the whole world. Everybody now if you see you. Everybody if you go YouTube, go check your videos.
Yeah.
Everybody if you go your Instagram handle, your Twitter handle, go check your highlights. Then you go understand.
And they go see what they like.
Exactly. I feel I need to dey package well.
Yeah.
I need to dey use digital camera. They cover my matches. I need to dey use digital camera to cover unveiling. I need to dey use better stages to take unveil players.
Yeah.
Until you start to get that business mentality, that business mindset of say football na big business, we go still dey well with it.
I go tell you something. Sorry, Vandreza FC. They move from Uyo, come Lagos.
Yep.
The same dressing room where MFM
They use.
for Lagos. Now the same dressing room
And they repackage.
where Vandreza repackage, snap the picture. It be like something away from Europe. Come.
Bam.
It go shock you
All
now.
those packaging.
Wait,
Bagada
little
FC.
thing.
Bagada
thing.
FC. You understand? Then swore we need to do these basic things. Then we want people go come they complain when indigenous companies go from here. Travel, go EPL, La Liga, go put advert money. The other day we hear Minister of Communication Lai Mohammed say all these indigenous companies where they from here go they advertise for Premier League.
No,
advertise
that one get point, Chow. You get point,
no, I know what
Now
you
be where you say they go see your market. You go to get your market to be
It's
sold.
threaten them.
You know why?
If you must advertise here, you must advertise here. At least we give a certain percentage.
That
To
one
me,
a point.
why you go force me to do?
Wait now.
Very good.
Wait
Because
now.
Make I try to swallow.
Make I just answer you quickly.
Okay.
The reason why I go support Lai Mohammed in a way for that comment we make now,
Yeah.
of say first off, your business where they carry go outside go give money. Now for me they make the money.
They make the money.
You they make the money for you. So what be the
But you just
feedback?
talked about profits.
That's what I'm saying. What be the feedback where they give to the society?
Sorry.
What be the cutback?
Sorry.
What the society they benefit from you based on say you get business?
So
for
maybe
inside
just do my CSR.
I dey come- I dey- I dey- I dey
I
come
don't
on.
talk say do my CSR. I don't talk say do my CSR. Most of all these clubs, them, or all these big conglomerates where they carry money.
Hey! Zwala kata. Zwala kata.
See,
Zwala
the
kata.
truth of the matter is say most of all these big companies, most of all these big companies, if they carry their money go outside, me and they talk say spend some of those money inside some of all these clubs.
Sorry. They
You understand?
they do something. They do something already. They do something already. The problem na say na property allocation. Na the community dey find. Na property allocation.
How many times?
Na property allocation.
Producer to mention names. Guinness. How many times they don't announce profit say the money wey they spend on top EPL they don't give them back. If not be Nigerians they drink am.
I'm sorry.
Not be Nigerians they drink am.
I'm sorry.
So
People
the point wey me they make.
they fight.
No.
People they fight.
The point wey me they make be say that same Guinness wey they sell or that same soft drink wey they sell. Now Nigerians go still drink am. So why don't they invest for the Nigerian clubs?
I'm sorry.
Why not?
When you say that Nigerians, you said something.
The one they do for Europe. Now wait. They make profit.
Timmy, they make profit.
Where do they sell their products?
They make profit.
Where do they sell their
Now
products?
where you
Calm down.
No, I don't vex.
honorable drink water. May you see Sapa make the camera see our efforts. Not the verse.
I see the vex.
Calm down.
Oh yeah, calm down.
I'm not ready.
Let the talk.
Timmy, I'm not ready. Calm down.
No,
Calm down.
Okay, so answer me this question. Where these big companies, where do they make their money from?
Now, where did they see people to see their product? You said something about
Where
branding.
did they make the
Cherena,
money now?
You talk something about branding just
Yeah.
now, and say now waiting people see. Then we say they want to associate with you.
Yes.
The problem when you they forget now say who did they watch their match pass? Now where did they see the matches pass?
Yeah.
Half time for whether na European League or whatnot. Where
Or
did they see am
Champions
pass?
League.
Now
So-
for inside the halftime break, you bring that
me.
product. Everybody begin to carry beer.
Yeah.
Yes.
Before you know, everybody begin to shout 444 is a what? Metaphor.
Brings me
Now
to
where
the
you
point.
tasting am?
Brings me to the point.
Excuse me
When they
now.
stop this club
Excuse
from
me
going to
now.
must
You
they go
say
to the
now
NPFL?
you they talk of system.
Eh?
Not be only one match
But
when they
see,
show for
Sawa,
MPFA.
Sawa,
Not be
Sawa.
only one match.
Swan.
Now when we say Super
Swan.
Eagles one play
Swan.
match, now then you can
Swan.
see. Now then you can
Swan.
see small
Swan.
tape where they put around feet.
Ready-made.
Or they put no. not
ready
made.
Now they talk.
Lie when they talk that one. Oga lie Mohammed when they talk that one. Say many people no put money. Many people no they put money for outside. He put a system when be say get try.
No, don't put money outside though.
He said,
if you they support, if they run advert for foreign leagues,
for
make
millions.
sure say you go run at least a certain percentage. You go run and put them inside the MPFL. If you know do am, because they can't threaten, say ready make they pay fine of 100K.
I'm sorry. See, no offense. That's excuse me. That's fucking bullshit. That is fucking bullshit. If I'm a business person, now you just now they talk say football na business.
Yes.
I am a business person. I didn't enter into the business of football to come and be doing charity work. And then I want to get to my customers, and I have to meet my customers where my customers are. My customers do not gather at the stadium. I'm sorry.
Where do they gather?
My customers do not even watch the MPFL. That you want me to advertise.
My customers go to viewing centers. My customers go to viewing centers. And carry 20 naira, 50 naira, 100 naira now.
Yes.
And they sit for 6 hours. Pay per second billing.
So what is
Pay
your
per
customer
second billing.
saying? No,
Pay per
what
second
is your
billing.
customer?
And you want make I carry my money?
So answer the
go do
question now.
Mogbamo ya for
Answer the
wetin?
fucking question.
Nigerians
What is your
Nigerians
customer?
Nigerians be this
When you come to
Nigerians be customers.
you talk something. You
Wait
talk something.
now,
Timmy,
listen.
calm it down. Give me 1 minute.
Listen.
Timmy, give me 1 minute.
You don't answer
Timmy,
now.
give me short time. I
You
never
don't
finish.
answer. You don't answer.
Honorable, I have not finished.
You don't answer.
Honorable, I never finished. Give me my 1 minute.
They watch.
Give me my 1
If the
minute.
Nigerians that they watch, what did they invest for the Nigerians?
I'm sorry.
The percentage of Nigerians where they watch Premier League and the percentage of Nigerians where they watch MPFL.
No, sir, I'm not talking about the percentage.
No, now you said that they throw away the money now.
And they tell you say that they invest.
Okay.
My point be say the people that way they invest for the international scene, even the Nigerians they watch them.
Yes.
How many investment they don't put inside those Nigerians?
Okay.
I'm sorry. Can I just say this? Can I just say this?
Yeah.
Because
First
all
of all,
the money we say what they make, what did they make for here? They can't go abroad.
We dey talk about
That is why we
MPFL.
go always get problem for inside the league.
We dey talk about
We don't get
MPFL.
sponsor.
No worry.
We dey talk about
need to wrap
MPFL
up.
and branding, right?
Yeah.
And marketing. First of all, you need to identify who be your customers.
Yeah, who be your
Shout out to
target
Van Dresa
audience.
because
Yeah.
at they work out for this our island. Where did they construct before they do this their skyscraper
Yeah.
finish? I see construction worker wear Van Dresa shirt.
Van Dresa
Another one
jersey.
wear face cap. And
Now,
then Van Dresa sit there for yo. They understood
I
that
see
they
they
go
run
swam
things
in.
underground.
Kaiser Chiefs. If
You
you go,
know-
if you go Akube, if you go Akube,
Swore.
if you go Akube, go they buy
Yeah.
JC. You know say Kaiser Chiefs, Mamelodi Sundown. Now their JC plenty pass for Akube when you want buy JC.
All right,
You know that.
guys.
So close to your customers.
Finally, make I just make one point. Might just quickly make one point.
Yeah.
The point why they make sense.
Yeah.
I don't talk them before. Say we need to rebrand. The clubs need to rebrand. The
Yes.
clubs need to re-strategize. Make
Yeah.
football business oriented.
Merchandise, a lot of things.
But then again, you can't rule out the fact. Say these companies the way they spend money outside of Nigeria, they need to start looking how to spend that money self for inside Nigeria because the people they consume your
I'm sorry.
your
I'm sorry.
your
I'm sorry.
whatever.
I'm sorry.
They're Nigerians for crying out loud.
It's not that I'm Nigerian.
Not be English.
You want make I carry my
All right,
premium money?
all right,
No,
all
sir.
right,
What,
all
sir?
right,
What, sir?
guys,
What? They don't let me
off
talk
your
of this thing.
mind,
I don't
off
vex.
your
I don't
mind.
vex.
This
You
our
want no? Wait
MPFL.
now. Wait now. Give me 30 seconds. You want make Ibisa carry my product? Come give somebody, and then you are a football player. You know the barb your hair. You know the cut your hair. You know the barb wear. Come on, 200, 250, or even if you carry 1,000, 1,500, tell you say coordinate your hair.
How it go be for
And they
you?
come. No. And they come make a
how it
land
go be for
now.
you?
Make a land. Make a land now.
We don't do
I
that.
know come on to cut my hair.
Don't do
Now,
guys.
come
Guys,
on
no,
to do
listen,
manicure.
Go to the
Starboy.
public.
Make we
And
enter
then you want me to
Starboy.
carry the money, man, give
Give me
person.
some
If you
money.
don't take interest in yourself, how do I take interest in you?
Beggy.
Make we enter.
Individual players need to take interest.
Our
Say,
time don't dey
I beg you.
finish. Our time don't dey finish.
What's it like
We
Mohammed
need-
talk? Truth dey inside.
Okay.
Make
Now
I
the
dash
truth
money
dey
up and
enter,
down.
make we
Make I
enter.
go to my
Make we
customers.
enter.
Give out. Give back to the place where they make money from.
Wait, give me where my yellow card, where my red card.
Now the fact be that.
So more enter Starboy for the week because every week they get
Make them make
Starboy
this picture big.
with the
Make us see
profile.
fine boy.
You know, fine boy.
Yeah, now those kind of they calm it down. We need to do women league so that to me go they see fine girls so that they calm down.
Fine girls no dey lose.
They don't
Nda
come up.
Olisa na our star boy for this week, and we will shall tell you one or two things about Nda Olisa because in the play for Aqua United this season for inside the Nigerian Professional Football League, and some of the stats for Nda Olisa, he don't make 15 appearances for Aqua United for this season, and that na the fourth highest number of appearances where anybody don't make, you know, for this season for inside the team, and they don't keep 9 clean sheets in combination with Samson Gbadegbo this season. They don't concede. Aqua United don't concede
The least.
only 11 goals, the least for the MPFL.
Not true, but you remember say not be only there two did that defense.
Yeah.
Then get wing backs, left and right. We go combine. So see, it takes two hands to wash the hands clean.
Yeah.
You understand? Olisanda now if he enter Enyimba defense, he go see any people where we say go help him.
Yeah.
You grab. So I feel so Olisa Andana a fantastic player on his own day. And in they look like somebody we say go be a very good leader. The sweet thing for me about him, I say, in progression from when he starts,
Yep.
Yeah.
people they see him.
Yep.
You understand? People they see in progression, like from Remo Stars now, you don't enter Aqua United. They see how in they progress. Like they go talk normally for inside Oyibo language. They say it is organic. You understand? Rabba. So in progression for me now, what they sweet me. And based on say you don't make him as our star boy today, I got salute him. Nda Olisa, na fantastic player. I feel say now even future Super Eagles player.
Yeah,
And
now
with
under
time-
23
Yeah.
captain.
Yes.
With time, I
It
know
was him biggest football heartbreak ever.
That's it.
And
That's
not
it.
qualifying for the
Yeah.
Olympics.
Yeah, so I feel say with time, he go become the superstar for inside Super Eagles because, like him or not, I been the thing say maybe he go don't even get chance enter this squad we play Benin Republic and Lesotho.
Yeah.
But apparently, coach get other plans.
Now we get better defenders when
for
you get to
Adele.
the
No,
end.
even when he invites, instead he go invite the one way Mama subscribe for them
Yeah.
or we tell him Adeleke where they play for Abia Warriors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You understand? So I was thinking, say now down Lisa, he go bring. But any which way, the bro still get chance to still enter the Super Eagles. He's a fantastic player. We go still grow.
And
Make I
Swana
just put
fine
this.
boy.
Ma just put this one.
Swana fine boy.
No, see, for girls now,
Swana.
now boys went fine. I make us start the wash match. The only thing when I not like now, say the knickers are too they long because back in
they like
92,
me.
93,
They
it
show.
was
They like soccer
it made it
Soccer
amazing.
pants.
But other than that, I won't give them credit because of the way they handle the health and the growth. Now good thing say you talk about the fact say waiting in the progress son. You they see and say from the Remo when he did for Ogun State.
Yeah.
You see I be say the guy take progress they go and the way he carry himself. The system is bad like you talk. But you need to take individual responsibility
Of your own
If you
career.
want- yeah,
Yeah.
because now the few when they take individual responsibility, then they make the nation. Then because they talk about people like the Bagada FC or the Van Dreza or the Ndaz now, or even the Anayos now, because the team go work for you. But if you not work on yourself,
Yeah.
now there wahala day. Minus the fact say this boy they remind me of Raskimono when Raskimono was very younger. So
Alright, some of the things for inside the Nigerian professional football, inside Nigeria,
Star
where
boy.
Nda Olisa don't play. Nda Olisa have been playing for Sharks FC 2014, 2015.
When Sharks
Then
not dey
he can
spoil
play Delta Stars, play 2016,
salary
2017. He can enter Remo Stars. He played there for 2018,
straight
2019,
well.
and then he can join Aqua United where he did. This now the second episode of Football Republic MPFL Tatafo. Before we go, make we shock you. It will shock you. Say, this our MPFL. What would they talk about? Hey, MPFL did this one, MPFL did that one. A few years back, MPFL 2012 was ranked as the best league for Africa and the 24th best league for the world. As at that time, MPFL then ranked them ahead of the Scottish Premier League. Yes, that Scottish Premier League with
Because I no
Joe
get sense then now.
Joe Aribo they play. Where Leon Balogun they
You
play.
know the reason why they rank out like that.
visual.
You know the reason why?
Why?
They did on TV.
2013 Nigeria win Nations Cup.
2012.
Win Nations Cup.
2013.
Now 2012. That
12,
ranking
12.
year now 2012.
Yeah,
Nigeria
because
win
say-
Nations Cup 2013.
Yeah, 2013 Nigeria win Nations Cup.
Yeah.
Abi. Now the boys them where we say Keshi use.
Yeah.
Where take win.
Humphrey Obuabona.
Most of them they league that time.
Mba.
No,
Yeah.
they were
Most of them
local
they
boys.
league that time.
A lot of
Yeah.
them were local boys.
2012 was it 2011? I know say 2011.
Yeah.
It be like Heartland enter final for the CAF Confederations Cup.
Okay.
2012 it be like Sunshine self enter final of the
Okay,
CAF
semi-final.
Confederations Cup, semi-final or something.
Okay.
2013 Nigeria win Nations Cup. See, those periods were period we say Nigeria they do well for continent.
Yeah.
If they do well for continent, now they go use rank
True.
your league. So not be just because say we
The
just
league
get
get
players
quality.
or get quite a lie.
Okay.
Now because we were doing well on the continent.
Yeah.
That is why they rank our league as one of the best. Since that time, what did happen?
Excuse me. It good say you talk this thing because as at that time, they take the page off waiting people like Eyimba do. You talk and say a national project when we say Eyimba win for inside African continent, and then they come follow up with back-to-back really top tier performances. So other clubs when we say they try to do the same thing. I remember I say I did around that land that time that period Owerri, and you will see say government
That 2011.
and yeah. In fact, that time
2010 or
I dey run
2011.
things that time for Owerri. I stay Owerri like 2 years,
Ah,
and the process now you dey see
And
how
they see you that
government
time.
how government dey involve themselves. That was a
look am.
template. That was a template that used to work then. Why be say the template no dey work now? Now say okay, now we don't begin to get visuals again. Even if now one by one we go take am.
we'll soon get
Now say
there.
because that time when we say you go say make government they shook hand inside, it don't go now. Now the year of the capitalist, now the season of the capitalist. If you be say business no put hand inside, wahala you can see say if the business is good, the government go arrange policies to make sure say the business try because they
Alright.
need the tax.
Okay.
So
This
that's
one,
all I
this
will
one
say.
8 years. I mean, how many years?
That's all I
9
will
years
say
ago.
because
Yeah,
when
9
Scotland,
years
when
ago.
Scotland, when
See,
you talk,
that time,
when
glory.
Scotland, when
Alright,
Scotland,
no wahala.
involve, when Scotland
Nigerian
take a
glory.
template.
Nigeria
enter final.
football go
When
get
last?
back to that glory days where we go
Now
rank
when
as
we
the
start to
best
dey enter
in
final
football
of cup
for
competition
Africa.
for
now
Africa.
but to secure the final
Make
to
sure
get
say
league.
you
the
watch
final.
the
We go rank
Football
among the
Republic
best.
To secure the
podcast
final,
and
you
make
need
sure
to
say
put
you
steps
subscribe
in front.
for our YouTube channel. Now noisemaker
Sawa.
for them plenty.
Now you be noisemaker.
This
Sawa.
He said we be
We'll
noisemaker.
come back next week.
Leave
Yeah,
am.
you are the
May sign
noisemaker.
out.
Teacher one
Bye-bye.
teacher. Bye bye.
Football Republic.